how to make your Instagram account public. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile. And as you can see that my Instagram profile is right now private. Now I'm gonna make it public. To do this, what do you have to do? Tap on these three lines at the upper right corner and then tap on settings and privacy. And now guys, I want to say something to you. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And once you are settings and privacy, now scroll down a little bit and here you'll get who can see your content. Under that you'll get account privacy. Tap on it and then here you'll get private account. Disable this toggle and then tap on switch to public and we are done. Now go back to your Instagram profile. Now reload this page and as you can see that my profile is right now public. I hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.